Okay, guys, right, you should have already worked this question out, I certainly hope, because we've definitely done exactly this in class on a real life spreadsheet. Okay, so write the formula, paste in cell C2 to produce the following. Now, you should already know this is a nested if. Okay, so if the student is making progress and the mark is 75 or more, then they've passed, or they're making progress, or they're satisfactory, or they need improvement. Now, you've got to get this right in terms of the cell references. Okay, so now this is how I would do this. Okay, so I'm just going to open up Word and just type it out in Word. Okay, maybe I should try and get some free web software so I can get a graphics tablet and write stuff. Right, so this is how I would type this out. So equals if, open the brackets, so student A, that doesn't matter, we're looking at the test mark, okay, so don't write 10, you write the cell reference. So the cell reference is B2. So if B2, and I will just simply write it out this way, is greater than, no, mark is 75 or more, so equals 2, or greater than 75, then comma, I would put in making progress, because remember the speech marks, programs, because it's a string, okay, it's words. At this stage, okay, close the brackets, comma, if, open the brackets. I'm not even going to look at the mark scheme of this. You can look at the mark scheme yourself. I'm confident, okay? Same cell again, okay? Because remember, if you're doing a formula, the formula is being wrote in this cell right here, okay, in C2. So you're assessing what's in B2. If B2, same cell, okay, if B2, okay, so it says if the mark is 50 to 74. It's a bit difficult, that one. Okay, I know what I can do. Okay, I know what I can do. Right, I would go B2 is less than, okay, because if you look here, 0 to 49, okay, no, sorry, equal to 49 or less than 49, okay, then I would put needs improvement. Okay, needs improvement, right, and then at this stage, I wouldn't do another nested if because it's just going to make my life difficult. I would actually go for the other option. I'd put a comma, anything else, okay, I would put satisfactory. Hopefully that's right, okay, so if greater than 75, making progress, okay, but if less than or equal to 49, so then that basically is anything else which is in between, then it should say satisfactory. Yeah, I think I've got that right. Shall I look at the mark scheme? No, I won't. You're going to look at the mark scheme. You can leave a comment underneath if you think I'm wrong, okay?